All right, man, here's another slight hot video, man. Y'all see the sun is definitely out beaming. Now the sun is out, it ain't too hot, man. Got the flops on with the socks. Really don't even need to have no socks on because it's that hot. See, we got the Hellcat, my bad, man. See, we got the big red eye in the back, man. Currently the only car at the house right now. Y'all see big red eye, no Fusion, no Charger, no Sentra. Sentra is on a trip. Was on a trip got extended. Now this morning, this is what you gotta know about Turo. First off, it's competitive. You gotta, it's kind of like a live market. You gotta constantly check it, because I woke up this morning and I had, once I put that car up there, somebody had booked it for a week and they just decided to cancel it this morning. They booked it like 2.5 weeks ago. So I went on there and I just, for that week right there that he canceled on, which is next week, I went and tweaked the price a little bit, and somebody actually booked it for 5 days instead. So it's not too bad, because I had it booked for 1 week, and then the person that got the car now ended up extending it for 3 days. So I still didn't even lose out on no pay or nothing like that. But you see the thumbnail, you see the title, man. If everything goes well, obviously the only way you're watching this video is because everything went well, which it should, because I already looked into it. I'm about to go get a third car. Now, if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, I do got a Hellcat red eye. I also have a Ford Fusion that I was using for my daily. Now, my brother's been using that car. If you don't know, I did some upgrades to the car. You know, it's just not like, it's, I mean, it's a regular Fusion, but it has all the features. Sunroof, I had a radio, new tires, new rims, calipers, all that. So me and him worked the deal out. Pretty much gonna sell him the car if I get this car today. So that would take the place of the Fusion, but I still won't own that car. Because mind you, I own the Fusion, but the car I'm gonna get today is going straight to Turo. Now, pretty much all the cars that's on Turo is gonna pay for themselves at some point. So if I ever really need to get a daily, I can just remove one of the cars completely off the platform if I wanted to, or just go buy a little cheap car, and then I'll be back to 5 cars. Because currently I have this car, the Fusion, the Sentra, and the Charger. So I got 4 cars right now. But if I sell the Fusion, I'll be back down to 3, but then I'll be gaining another car. So I'll pretty much have 4 cars, be back at 4 cars. Pretty much really 1 car, because the 3 cars are gonna be on Turo strictly. So about to hit the dealership, man. Y'all make sure, if y'all haven't checked out all my other Turo videos, check that out. Got a lot of information on there if you're looking to start your fleet, or just start with your 1 car, or you want to get a car to start, or use your personal car, whatever you need be, man. About to head to the dealership, see what's going on. Y'all see, man. Y'all see what's going on. And a dealer, you know, not my type of dealer. This ain't no Dodge. Y'all see, good Carfax, man. Y'all see the whip. Boy, good miles, good low miles. This is the main thing. That's what I'm looking for right here. Let me show y'all right here. That warranty. Still got hella life. 2 years and some change, or whichever one come first. It's gonna come first, because it's a lot of miles, you know what I'm saying? But, you know, car is good, checked out, always been serviced at the dealer, you know. Y'all gonna see, man. I'm gonna show y'all the whip when you get done, man. You know, about some little, you know, just in case. You know, let me see. Got the GoPro, but I'm on the cell phone. Hold up. You know, just in case, you know. Don't need no down payment though, but just in case I want to put something down, you know what I'm saying? But y'all see what's going on, man. It's so goddamn hot, man. Anyway, man, it's the next day. Now, as you see the thumbnail, you see the title. As I said earlier in the video, this is a 2-part video, 2 different days. I didn't record too much at the dealership just because it was pretty much just regular stuff, and it was hot outside. And then while I was sitting in there, I mean, I only filled out the paperwork real quick and then didn't do too much else. But y'all see the car right here, man. I showed y'all the Carfax on it, so you already seen the name. It is a Kia Forte 2019. This is the S model, so it's kind of like pretty much kind of spec'd up. You see Forte S model. But if you don't know, I already have a Nissan Sentra on the platform, as well as the Dodge Charger. Now I got this, and let me tell y'all, man, I did put the red eye up there. I don't want to rent it out, but if you pay the price I listed for it, I really don't care at that point. So if you click on the link, you can see all my cars on there. The red eye is on there. Y'all see how much I'm charging a day for it. But I'm just gonna give y'all a quick walk around of this Kia Forte right here, man. This is a key fob right here. I didn't even notice this while I was getting the car, but it's actually not even push to start. It is a key. You would think it's like, you know, push to start 2019, but it's not. It is cool right here, like this little part with the buttons on the side right here. That's cool. But I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all the car real quick, man. A little quick walk around. Trunk is pretty crazy, man. Big trunk, man. I like the color too. Show y'all the inside, man. This is the door. Let me see. Put the key in here and show y'all, man. Actually, I like this car pretty much. Like, out of all the cars I just got, well, obviously Nissan Sentra, that car doesn't have much going on. Charger is pretty much like the car I already got. So this car is just completely different from everything I already got or had. So, you know, you got your little screen up here, buttons, temperature, you know, AC, heat, whatever you want to call it. Got your little plugs and stuff. I don't think there's no plugs in here. But you got you got the aux, you got the charger, and you got the, you know, the 2 cigarette lighters. Now this car got like a self-driving feature too. Let me see if it shows the drive modes. It does have drive modes. You see sport, smart, normal. This button right here, pretty much, if you press this button right here, let me turn the car on real quick. If you press this button right here, the car will assist you with steering, like in a lane. Like, it's aware of the lane markers some way. So if you just hold the steering wheel a little bit, it'll turn for you on a highway and stuff like that. I just realized that last night, so that's what that button does. And like I said, it does have the sport mode. This car is pretty quick, man. You know, a little 160 on the dash, you know what I'm saying? And you see the car only got 15,000 miles. The car is pretty new. Speaker, and you already know, man. Got the sunroof. Show y'all the back seat real quick. Not much, man, not much. This dude got like these are different seats, man. The Fortes only come with some regular seats. Like I said, this is the S model, so I got the premium package. So he does have these different type of seats. And that's pretty much it, man. Just getting y'all a quick walk around. This is my 3rd car, so that puts me at 3 cars on Turo. I did sell the Fusion to my brother pretty much to get this car. I mean, I didn't have to, but I didn't want to have, that's just too many cars. 5 cars. The Fusion, it was paid off and everything, but with this car is not paid off, obviously, but the money that I sold the Fusion for, this car would make money. The Fusion can't make no money. So whatever I spent extra on this, minus, like, you know, what I made off the Fusion, I'm gonna get that money right back because this car makes money. It's already booked. It's actually going out tomorrow already. I just got the car yesterday. I put it up there yesterday and somebody booked it today, so the car will be going out, man. If you're in Vegas, you need to check out my Turo listings. I do got pretty decent, I ain't even say pretty decent, I do got nice cars. These all my cars are actually nice. The Sentra is the SR, so it's not the regular model. Like I say, the Forte, it's the S model. Then I do got the Dodge Charger. It's a V6, but it looks nice, you know. You got the tenants, the screening and all that. So yeah, if you're in Vegas, check me out. Leave the links in the description, man. And that's pretty much it, man. I'm out.
Look, was on my grind, it was my time. I ain't think twice, I paid that price and we did this, nigga. Police storm at me, charges never stick. Fucking niggas up in Vegas, pocket 96, left past 11.